Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing 99 coils on my 3rd gen 4Runner. You guys stay tuned. And if you are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. So this is her with some weight on the back. As you can see, the sag is more increased. So we're aiming to fix that. So right here, I went ahead and I took off the nut to the shock. So it's gonna be a 17 millimeter to take this nut off. I have this jack supporting the 4Runner, and then I have this one. I'm gonna bring this one down, and then you can see it's gonna bring down the rear diff, the stretching this spring. Sorry. Yeah, hold it. See that right there? It's gonna make it way easier to take that bad boy out. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Woo! Wow. Look at that.
What's this?
Yeah. So remember to stay cautious on this brake line here. You don't want to overstretch it. Okay guys, so here it is. The left one is obviously the stock one. It's so the pre-99 springs are shorter. As you can see, they're about 15 and 5/8. And then the new one, the 99 tall, is at 16 1/4. So I tried different ways of compressing the spring. I mean, you can put it in without the spacer, but I mean, I want to put it in with the spacer, obviously. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to use zip ties. I'm going to try to compress little by little, and let's see if they hold up. My ancestors, sometimes you just gotta Mickey Mouse it. It's in, and it's in with the spacer. So what I did is I had my wife push down on this with all her might, and I was able to push this one in using 2 pry bars. I didn't have to disconnect anything over here. And, you know, again, just make sure that you're keeping an eye on this brake line here. Alright guys, so this is how it sits with the 99 coils. I like it. There's I think a 1/2 inch difference from the back to the front. There's a little bit of a high rake on the back, but I mean, I don't mind it, just because, you know, when I put my wife in the back and the baby and we load up some stuff, you know, it sags. It would sag before, but now, man, I like it. It looks good. So I'm gonna measure, and they're gonna see where we're at now. 38 1/2, about 30. In the front. Sorry guys. Get this right lighting. It's at about 37 1/2. So to me it looks good. I like it. I'm gonna keep it like this for now, until maybe some wheels, some rims. I definitely want to get some up and close, not rail sliders, well maybe rail sliders, I don't know how I feel about welding to the frame, but some running boards, but something that'll run like up close, up to here maybe, nothing that'll take away from the ground clearance. This is where I end today's vlog. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to turn your notifications on. And again, don't forget to subscribe. I don't know if it's over here or over here, but it's as easy as pushing it with your finger. It's that easy. I swear, it's that easy. It doesn't get any easier than that. But anyways, stay tuned for good product reviews.